Gonks, what's up, Derp? What's up, what's up? Make sure everybody can hear me. Yep, we're good. What's up, what's up? How we doing? How we doing? Eating Subway? What about you? Oh, shit. I'm vibing. Hanging out. Figured I'm not gonna be around for any streams for a little while, so why not hop on quick? Right? I'm gonna be doing shit on my computer anyways. Might as well hang out and talk to you guys. Thanksgiving plans? Yes, yes. We have a family we're gonna go see. Um, what else are we doing? We're gonna get our Christmas tree, which is gonna be exciting. But yeah, besides that, no, nothing crazy. All right, what does this theme look like? Good. This looks good. This is what we'll use. You fell for my bet. I did. Classic blunder, honestly. Can't be falling for that stuff. Awesome, man. That sounds sick. My girl can't wait for Christmas. I know. I can't wait for Christmas personally. I think Christmas is gonna be so awesome. I'm really excited. Or my burr. Yeah, it was your burr. Move this over so you can kind of see the middle of the screen a little bit. Yeah, your burr. You fell for my burr. Classic blunder. Classic blunder, honestly. How about you, Derp? You got any plans for um Thanksgiving? FYI, Christmas is huge in the Philippines. For real though. Let's go open this one. This is what we're working on today, by the way. We're gonna get this missile working. Let me. So, I feel like I need to preface so many things. Not a programmer here, but we're gonna try and get this missile to work. I think this is cool. So, basically, it's gonna be like the idea is we're gonna eject the missile out the back of the ship, and then it's going to hopefully float in whatever direction we're turned at, right? Because this will move based on the mouse. This will float out, and as an enemy enters its radius, it'll lock on and go straight to it. So far, we have it where it'll just float down, sees an enemy, boom, and then I want, as it contacts the enemy, explode, all that good stuff. Be great. Make the missile brown and round. Do you want me to make a ship missile? Should this be a ship missile? That sounds pretty fun. I think a ship missile would be pretty cool. So I need to make the AoE. AoE in range, maybe? I want it to be an AoE attack, too. Get overlapping bodies. I want var AoE. It's coming out the back. You're right. It would be a ship missile technically then. It is technically a ship missile then. Does toxic damage over time as well as impact damage? Oof. I don't even know how I would go about that. I need to think about that one. So I got... Okay, so I'm making it so it gets an array of overlapping bodies, but I want it to only get the first few. Or do I not care? I want it to attack all of them. I don't want it to just attack like 3 or 4. Why is there so many? Anyhow. So that's fine. can I just do... I think I need to do it for areas, actually, now that I think about it. It needs to be areas, because I need to do that. Okay. This is going to be all the stream is. It's going to be me mumbling and thinking to myself out loud, basically. Oh, I just realized this stream is private over on YouTube. That's stupid. Why would I want my stream to be private? Interesting. Make that public quick. I was wondering why there wasn't anybody flooding over on the YouTube side. Okay. So I think I need to do it differently. If area is a hitbox component, which we want, we're going to make our hitbox equal to area. So I want this. Yo, what's up, man? Case Fam Fan. How you doing? I think I need to do this. Maybe let's try this. Let's try this quick. We'll call it areas of area. Probably not. Okay, because I don't want to specify it's that. This will be interesting. I quit YouTube. It's me, Ohio. Oh, what's up, Ohio? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. So I definitely want to check this. Shua, shine that thing. God damn it. That's good. Holy shit. That's so good. Shua, shine that thing. Oh, that's so funny. I want to get this. Hitbox. If I just change this. So that way it's going to take all the areas in range, hopefully apply the take damage, and it should only be hitboxes that have my hitbox component class. What are we doing? So I've been doing like a little side project on learning some game development and coding skills. So I'm just I was gonna do this anyways, not on stream, but I had the time, so I figured why not just do this on stream. So if you're interested in this kind of thing, totally feel free to hang out and watch. If not, I mean, yeah, I understand. This isn't my normal content, so I get it. But it'll be fun. We'll open up this test. Yeah. So let's get a couple enemies. So hopefully the missile will lock on to these, do AoE damage. I carried a game in 6th grade, so I'll watch. Okay, sick. Cool. What was your game? What did you make? Yo, what's up, Abby? How you doing? Good. We'll move the player out of the way. Oh, it doesn't matter. We do need to make sure that we are colliding with the right layer. So we want to make sure we're colliding with 3s on the missile. Yes, beautiful. We're colliding with 3s. Hopefully we'll do AoE, and I want to make sure, I think the best way to do this is to have it kill. So we'll have it do 3 damage. Okay. I was coding a website. I just made a simple game. I forgot by now I was coding a website though. Oh, okay, cool. Gonks, what's up, Tommy? How you doing? FYI, have you heard Murphy's Gas Stations down? Murphy's Gas Stations download their app every visit. You basically get 10 cents off the next bill up. No, we don't have those around my part. We don't have those, unfortunately. Naruto! Sasuke! That's had so much flair to it. I can't tell if they're dying. Okay, I need to queue free this. Sasuke! It's not queue free. Okay, because it's not hitting it. Okay, because it's the small one. We need to make this maybe a little bigger. Let me make it a little bigger. You know, I was planning on streaming Black Ops 6 tonight too randomly. Then I seen you started up a stream. You should still stream it. Why? You can do whatever you want. You got, you know, not do something because I'm doing something. Curious if it's not hitting their areas. They're not interacting. Oh, I want that. Okay. Test. Test. Okay. It should not do that. It should go away. It should disappear. Why are you not disappearing? Why are you not doing the thing? It's not attacking either. So if hitbox component area entered by an area 2D, if the area is a hitbox component, so this set to mask 3. This is set to layer 3. So they should interact. Should stream together. We definitely should sometime. I don't want to buy what's it called? I don't want to buy Black Ops 6 though. Double check my bullet script. That's what it is. Is this? This is not signaling actually. Because I just copied the code. It's not signaling. Okay. Area entered needs to signal to the missile. Okay. I think it is should work now. In theory. In theory. Bang! It blows up. Everything is terrible. Oh my goodness. Okay. Non-existent function, take damage in base array area 2D. Okay, so my array is no good. I think it's because I'm not catching anything. Because I'm doing this wrong. Okay. I think that's why. I think it's because I'm doing this wrong. We'll just change this back to hitbox for a sec. This, in theory, let's make sure this works, maybe. This, in theory, should work. So yes, it kills one. Because it enters and does it. Got it. Okay, I'm done with the daily task now. Time to troll Shua. Oh no. I know there's a way to do like dual stream thing where people can see both streams, but I think you have to have affiliate things, which I don't have. You need 50 followers and like 2 some odd hour streams. Oh yes. We'd have to get you set up with that, Tom. But yeah, that would be you have to get your follows up. Are we not get over? Huh? Why are we not working? This is an area 2D, so I should be able to variable AOE in range is equal to get overlapping areas. That should work. Weird. Needles Kane, what's up? How you doing? Welcome to the stream. And then we'll see if this breaks it. I think it will. Test. Let's see what happens. Dev, my best enemies. Ah. So my array actually have stuff in it now. I think it's because my collision shape. My collision shape looks like for my missile. For this one. Is it the big guy? Yes, it's the big guy. Ah. You're a tester? Oh, nice. What does that pertain to? Like, well, how do you, what does that mean? That's interesting that doesn't work. Twitch, what kind of music do you want to listen to, by the way? We could play some music. Vibe. I think it's because... What's a way around this? Let's do get... Assign value of type array area to variable hitbox with specified hitbox component. Okay. So I might have to do something with my actual hitbox. Great. This will be fun. Code Combat, that's it. That's the website. Oh, okay, cool. Like you completed the whole website. Nice. What? How old were you when you did that? You said you did it when you were younger. I'm tester in Ministry of Justice in Saudi Arabia. Whoa, that's sick. That's pretty important. Damn. That's very important. So what I'm trying to do, do I need like 2 hitbox components? Maybe one that, I want one that detects this. If the area is a hitbox component, I want that so that it actually sets off what I want to do. I want to make a new attack, but then I want to apply the attack function to everything in a hitbox. Maybe I need to look up how to do AoE damage. Look at a little tutorial. Because it definitely has to be like, get overlapping bodies. Do something with them. Let's do a little Google search. So this is how I envision these streams. This is how I do it on my own, right? I am gonna Google shit. I'm gonna figure shit out. You know? I've got it right. It's overlapping areas for sure. Maybe I just need to call it like this. Area.get overlapping areas. Will it yell at me? It won't yell at me. Maybe I can make this a new variable. I already got it as a variable. It seems silly to do it like this. Why can't I just do it like this? Get overlapping areas. Why does it yell at me? Maybe because I can't make it a hitbox. I have to just assume I can't specify that it's that. I just have to. That'll be tricky. Because now I can change this to hitbox again. This will be tricky because it's going to grab all the areas. Every area that is a hitbox component. Grab. So I guess it's the same. It's similar. What in the... What's up, Asa? How you doing, man? We're doing some funky shit here, bro. Non-existent function in the base array. As we're doing it. I'm good. Is this go? This go? Godot? This is Godot. G-O-D-O-D. G-O-D-O-T. With only... With how big the area is now, it should only kill one. So... But it's saying that there's a non-existent function in the base array area 2D. So this array isn't actually showing what I want. We check that it has a hitbox component class. Make sure that maybe something else isn't colliding first. Like I don't want it to collide with this yet. Like what's the collision of just this? 2 and 4. Then this is 3, which we're colliding. What game is this for? Oh, this is just like a practice thing I'm making. So like right now we have like I'm doing like a what is it? Space Invader clone-ish kind of thing. Where you have the enemies come down from the top and you just blast them and stuff. But this is just a way for me to learn so that I can get better at this. I think this is fun. This is something I want to do more of. I wonder if I need a different... I think I might need to change this completely. If the area is a hitbox component, which I want to name the area as this. What language? It's so this is Godot. And Godot, Godot, whatever you want to call it. It has its own language called GD script. So it's what is it similar to? Is it C sharp or C++? I forget. I forget what they all that they say, but it has support for one of those. I think C sharp. It has support for C sharp. Or is it C++? It's one of those. God damn it. I should know this. By the way, it has something. It has support for that. You think it's C sharp? Okay. Maybe I just need to throw all this together. One. I don't think it's gonna matter. Get overlapping areas. Dot. Don't want to pass through attack. Get it. Then take damage with an attack. Did it yell at me? Yes, it is. Because I can't find the property of that on the base of this. Ah! Is there? Okay. C++ according to Wiki, but I don't know the diff. I cheated and learned Python. Oh, that's not cheating. That's still learning something. That is still learning something. Fudge YouTube ad. 1 sec. You're good. Man, I could never land the big one. Did you miss out on your bet again? Took out a random stab at a 15k, missed 5 out of 8. Oh, rip. You weren't even close this time. That sucked, actually. Cobra Kai plays. What's up, man? Head is bad. Your head is bad luck. Pause. What? Watching it get ripped away is the worst. Oh yeah, especially when you're close. That can't. Yeah, that's awful. I can't even imagine. The difference I know is that C++ can do all codes in the main method. C# can divide codes into classes. Okay, interesting. So I guess C# is a little bit closer to GD script then, because it has that type of um, what is it? It has the same type of deal. Yeah, do you like my profile picture? Is that just a dog? Looks fine to me. This is intricate. It kind of is. It's I don't know. It's something. It's a jumbled spaghetti code mess of me just trying to do fun shit. That's what it really is. I wanted to take a bath to Mahomes when he threw that pass. So no, bad. But I'd make him uncomfortable with a bath too. You would. So I think in the I think I get the functionality. How do you bring in the visual stuff like the face, shit, background, and all that? So it's all these nodes over here. So like the player has all these things here. Like these are the sprites and stuff. And this is like the animations of like the gun shooting. Or is this is the idle. This is the flame behind it, which is I'm not an artist. I'm not an artist. And then the ship itself has its own. Where's the gun? Oh, okay, here. This is the shooting animation. It's very fast. But it's what made it look good with how long it takes the bullets to come out. So it looks good later. But yeah, you basically take stuff like this and then you throw it all into a level. So like there's like the background for the level. You can make bodies that are basically looking at this little circle that will collide with it so that you can't move in certain places, and then you can make it so it collides with other objects and triggers things and signals things. It's very, it can be intricate. There's a lot. To learn Unreal Engine, bro, I don't know if I could ever do a 3D game. I could. It would take me so much longer than what this takes me. That's so cool. I agree. That's why I'm doing it. I think it's so fucking cool. So I'm like, I have to. I have to do it. It looks like a rotisserie chicken. Oh, I know, and I'm changing it just because it does. I'll do it. I change it just because it does. That's why. That ship is not the final. Not the final. It looks good. If you publish it, I'll play it. Oh, thanks. Yeah, I'm not gonna publish it to like. I'll probably publish it when it's all done to itch.io, just for free. Just because it's a training project. I'm not trying to actually do anything with it. But so you develop a new one game, or you help it in project? I'm just developing this, and then it's just a training project so I can learn some cool things. Like I want to learn AOE damage, so I'm trying to make this missile. So I'm kind of looking off into the side here to find a way to do this. So when you're coding the shooting part of it, do you just designate the bullet to go on a certain path and it meets the enemy, it inflicts damage? Exactly, yeah. So the bullet, if we look at the script for the bullet, purely the script for the bullet is the direction is a vector that is pointing to the right that's also rotated. That can be rotated, right? The position of it. Or the vector can rotate around. Basically what I believe that one does. And then the position is just getting changed by whatever way we're facing, times the speed, which I made up here, times delta, which is like basically ticks, right? It's like, that's how I think of it. It's like on a 1 second or whatever base even pace, I guess you could say. Because when we're in a physics process like here, it goes every frame, and sometimes frames change depending on what you're doing. So like if I have, this game's low whatever, if it's like 150 frames and we aren't controlling how often this ticks to change the position, we'll be zooming across the screen, right? So delta is just how it's the difference between frame rate at each second. So that way it's a consistent time. If I explained that correctly. So if we just look at this scene, right? We watch it play. The bullet, you can't see it, but bullet just went across the screen at an even pace. So what we do is now we have this scene that's a bullet, so that moves and that can rotate. In my player, I designate 2 areas here where the bullets will instantiate or basically get populated into the game to pop up at these locations and then shoot and then basically set the direction and the rotation to whichever way we're facing and then send them off. So that's kind of how that'll work. So that's when you see it in the game. The bullet will go off into the distance whichever way I'm facing. And then it'll have the little circles around these guys are just the hitboxes for the enemies. So that's how that works. That's the easy part. This is the easy part. Now I'm trying to do a hard part. Like music time, like 4. Yeah. Okay, that's sick. Yes, it is. You can change it to a random or a set time. Yeah, I think there's ways to play with that if I wanted to. But I don't. So I'm just trying. Now I'm trying to figure out a way to take what I have and make it so it does AoE damage, which is hard. I don't know. If area is, maybe I need to do something different. If area is enemies, so I have an enemies class, so maybe we'll make it enemy. If area is enemy dot, okay, if area dot is in group, I'm gonna try this code that somebody put. Enemy then we'll just say I need it to connect to the hitbox. Okay, so if area is a hitbox, so I gotta make sure it connects to this hitbox because this is how it'll actually send the signal to take damage. Variable. I think this variable hitbox needs to be different. I think it needs to be area dot get overlapping by areas. Now we have an array from the areas. It should give us all the areas. No, because that's why. We're not actually getting the correct thing. Hey, this will work. Just this. So what I was doing before, I was doing area dot get overlapping areas. But this area isn't the big area that I've been dealing with. It's actually the enemy area. I need to make sure I'm calling the right area. I need to call the big area. Oh, it exploded. So this works, technically. Interesting. I missed a bunch of stuff. Let's go. I saw you say make a tower defense game. That would be a sick little game project to do too, and I think it'd be really easy. I mean, 2 games still be doing good. Oh yeah, I love 2D games. I just seen someone playing FNAF in the pit, and it was so fun to watch. You used to code on Mud. I've heard of Mud. I feel like. Space game, huh? If I share a link, will it ban me? No, it won't ban you. I don't think. If it does, I'll unban you. You're good. Just try it. If you get banned, I'll unban you. Be my guinea pig. Okay, so we still need to make sure this is... Maybe it's... I need to get parent dot get overlapping. I think I need to do this up here. I think I need to make a different... I need to call a variable up here. Variable AOE. We'll do the area AOE in range is my get overlapping areas. And then this is my AOE in range. So hopefully now this hitbox is actually, this get overlapping areas is actually getting all the overlapping areas in the big thing. And it should hopefully apply damage to everything. It's only applying it to one. Seems to work. Cool. Oh shit. Good. My moderation tools work. That's crazy, actually. I don't think I need this. We'll just call AOE directly. Okay, so it's working, but I think it's not getting all the overlapping areas. Am I in bullet? Oh, shoot. I've been working on the wrong one. That's annoying. Go all the way back. I'm in my bullet script. That's so sad. LOL. That should be back to normal. Okay. Let's try that here, though, still. Let's get rid of this. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. This just looks ugly. And then we'll call AOE in range, take damage. So now it should probably break. We'll see. Yes, because take damage is in a base array. I must need to do something with the array. I've been working on this viz that shows breaches in the healthcare space. That's why I share if anyone wants to check it out. I review health. Oh, dang. Try doing it in Discord. I think Discord would be safer, honestly. Discord would be safer to do it in. But I think I need to do something with arrays to make it so. Let's look up arrays quick. This is good. Array. I need to basically like extract or make it apply to it, each one individually, not to the array itself. Let's actually get overlapping areas. Cool. Bodies, overlapping area. Okay, so how can I Area entered. Enums. Let me look at Gotta be with the kids, BRB. You're all good. So we'll put another bet for tonight, but I won't see till tomorrow because basketball is insane. It has games start at 10 p.m. Yeah, but it's only $5, but could win 800. Here's hoping random guessing works this time. Ooh, good luck. I think it'll be good. Oh, get. Let's try that quick. That seems interesting. Right. So now, oh boy. A null instance. Okay. C plus, I'm not sure how close it is to C plus. Oh, interesting. Yeah, I don't know then. Interesting. Maybe I just need a call. I want it to tell me. Just grab all of it. Little array. And interesting. Some nerd is playing Black Ops 6. Oh no. Is he actually playing Black Ops 6 right now? Oh no. What do I have? Maybe I just need to see that. Maybe I can need to see my options. Sign back, clear, count, erase, filter, find, front, mark, map. I want to do map, I think. Oh. That's me. I find it insane that they haven't gone to something else. For the longest time, they were coming out with the new games that they found on Black Ops and stuck with it. It's gonna get ridiculous after a while. Black Ops 32. It will. It's gonna get kind of stupid, but I don't know. I guess if it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? It's unfortunate. I don't know. What do I want? I want. Interesting. All right, maybe how. Yes. I haven't bought COD since World of War. Honestly, yeah, I haven't bought it since. When was the last COD I bought? I can't remember. I don't even know. Is mayonnaise an instrument? Should be a soundbite? It really should. That's actually a good idea. Where am I at? It really should. I need to do that too. I feel like I just need to maybe I don't know. Um May I do a stream where I actually work on stuff?
Who wants some man meat?
So this is all I've been doing. I've been having too much fun
Well,
doing
then
this.
my man meat he shall have.
Are fine
There
too.
you go.
What do you do? There's the index of the last occurrence. I think I'm thinking of this wrong. Size, remove that. Removes or returns the elements of the array at index position if negative.
Thank you very much, sir. You're a gentleman and a scholar.
Bruh. No, no. I'm actually getting stuff. Thank you very much, sir. Did it not play? This should get. I think I need to make it so that it actually. My array size is 0. Why?
Bruh.
I don't know why that soundbite didn't work, by the way, Mike. I'm sorry. I do not hear it. What am I making? I'm just doing a training like Space Invaders game. I'm trying to make this AoE missile. So I'm trying to make an array that will then call a function from the hitboxes of everything in the array. So I'm trying to overlap some areas. So I'm trying to do this. Let me just do a process. I just want to see. I just want to see what comes out. I want to see what comes out. Nothing. Great. You hear it? Am I? Wait a minute. My headphones are off. Bruh. Sorry. That's crazy. Oops. My bad. Did you go to school for coding? I want to become a coder. I did not. No, I am not a programmer at all. I don't know anything about programming. So I've just done a bunch of YouTube tutorials. There we go, the applause. Yep, I hear it now. That's a long applause. I want the.
That's what she said.
So any advice? I just say watch YouTube videos. Why not? Watch some YouTube videos and see if you like it. Just get started. There's nothing stopping you. If it's all bool method callable, take damage. Is it gonna yell at me? Take damage does not occur in scope. Bring it as a callable.
Who wants some man meat?
I do. I want some man meat.
Well, then my man meat he shall have. There you go.
Jeez Louise. What is that? What what is that? I wonder if I need to do I wonder if I need to do a new function that takes my AoE in range. I think I don't need to do that. Okay, I think I just do it this. Okay. Var AoE in range is equal to get overlap in body areas. Then I want to basically AoE in range dot take damage attack. I want it to be attack. What options do you give me? What should I do? There's definitely an easy way to do this. Yo, do you think you can help me get my old Fortnite account back? No, probably not. The Office, have you never watched it? Oh, I've watched The Office. Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. I love The Office. Okay.
I declare bankruptcy!
Interesting. I declare. That's me right now. I declare bankruptcy because I don't understand what's happening. Ugh, ugh, ugh. This is taking way longer than I wanted it to. I was hoping this would be a quick one.
Well, well, well. How the turntables...
Well, well, well. How the turntables. Incredible. Incredible. So I think the problem is I think this isn't actually getting what I want it to. Okay, we're gonna keep this thing. I think I need to check to make sure that these have it. And so we'll do it this way. I think I'm understanding. Damn it. And AoE integrate. About it, operand. If you like how to connect blurs, will you do that next week? How to connect... What do you mean? Like if I set time to do it? Something is... Oh. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Because the enemies are on 4, so I'm looking for 4. So this works because this works. Overlapping bodies. Oh, shit. Chat. Oh, my God. Oh, jeez. Dude, if this... Bruh, wait a minute. I'm so stupid. Right. That's kind of unnecessary to check that. Okay, non-specific base integer. Yes. We just need to turn this into get overlapping bodies. Get rid of this requirement. Bro, imagine me spending how long? Oh my god, so long. Just because I made a mistake with bodies versus areas. No, it still doesn't work. That's fine. But our array is actually catching things now. Ha 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 ha. Birds and bee overlap. Yes, that's funny. It's an extension you go to Twitch, similar to the soundboard thing, but it has a million sounds on it. Oh, okay. I will. Yeah, I should look into that. That should be easy. Should be easy. Or we'll do this might work. Okay. So I need to make this though. In AoE range. I need those areas to take damage base attack. I'm on the cusp. I'm on the cusp of it. I'm on the cusp because I need this to just. I wish I could stay, but I'm going to bed. Just checking to wish you a great stream and night. I hope you and your family are doing great. Have a good one. Thanks, Eli. Thanks for stopping by. Your step-by-step days in your jams just slid right in. Oh, damn, bro. Don't slide in there. Whoa. Okay, we're so close. Because now we're going to take everything out of it. We're going to look at all the stuff that's in the range. Get it. We'll use get node. I have to go global. There's a variable named hitbox declared in the scope. Oops, where? Hitbox component. Okay, so we're not actually getting where we need to go. If I just did hitbox, do I need to do all this other junk? Give me hitbox component.
I have hemorrhoids!
That's good. That's great. That's what I wanted to hear. What's going on, brother? Not much. How you doing, man? Wrong button. Dang it. Just thought you should know that you have hemorrhoids. I see. I need to get zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes! I'm so smart. I did it. HD, what's up, bro? Good to see you again. I did it. I did it. I need to make a note right now. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Okay. I wish this was a better way. I don't like this. So what I did was this 4 variable, 4 areas. So I basically declaring this as a new variable in AoE in range. So now all these areas will break into area 1, 2, 3. based on the array. Actually, it'd be area 0, 1, 2, 3, because that's how this works. 0 is 1, the first position. So it's going to take all the areas and assign them 0, 1, 2, 3 as variables in this array, which is all the overlapping bodies in my thing. So I set a new hitbox, a variable, the hitbox component, that basically looks at all those areas, all those things, and then goes to that sixth position down and takes that, and then it calls this function based out of that. Now the problem is I need to make sure that every sixth position is this component or this will not work, which is stupid. There needs to be a better way for me to get this child of my thing every time. How? Don't know. I have to do a lot of work on that. But we'll see. What have you said? Wait, if I said you were the 0 and 1s? Whoa, hey. I don't know. Wait, what? Wait a minute. Wait. Wait a minute. So that took a way fucking longer than I wanted. How long have we been streaming? I've been working on this the whole stream. It's taken me an hour and 18 minutes to get this to work. But I didn't have to really look up any tutorials. I did it on my own, really, which is amazing. Whew. So now I need to go to, like, my fast enemy. And my fast enemy script. Wherever that is. Oh, need to go to my fast enemy. Hurt box. We actually are gonna. Where's hurt box? Oh, and take damage. We don't want that. We'll actually delete this, and we will add my hitbox component. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, beauty. Let's Control A this, add a collision shape. 2D. Go here, make sure I make it a nice little circle. I haven't shown you guys this enemy yet, but I want to test it all with this. So this enemy is interesting. So I made it so he basically zigzags back and forth randomly. And he's supposed to be faster. That's the idea. He's going to be a faster enemy. Harder to hit. You have to prioritize them first. It's obviously not, this isn't the design I'm going to go with at the end. This should kill all of them now. Invalid access. Oh, because I need to make. Oops. I need to also add health component for this guy. Oops. Health component. Alright, that should fix that. Look how fast I did. I just added health and everything to this guy. Just because I make components. That's a whole another thing. Invalid access. Oh, the health bar is unhappy. It shouldn't be. It should be fine now. Health bar, health component is not. Why? Why don't? Oh, I know why. Silly guy. And then I need to go here. Silly. We're going. Oh, he escaped. Wait, why did he escape? Oh. Oh, because he probably has the wrong collision layer. Yep. He needs to be on 4. Now he should die. Ah! Non-existent function take asked him before. Oh. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. This is stupid. I have to put this here. Gross. Gross. See, that's why it's stupid. I don't. It doesn't die. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Signal death. Okay. I think I called death in my... Oh, because I wanted to do this. I'm actually going to copy the call. I know. This is what happens when you don't... I should have made this a component too. Oh my goodness. You guys... Yeah, you probably don't know what I'm saying right now, but... It's basically that I'm stupid. I don't know. How in depth do you guys... Would you guys want me to go on all of this stuff? I'm just emoting. He is. You are. Just emoting like crazy. Boosh! They're all dead. Nice. Very cool. Very cool. Now, how about we say we... Let's make a quick... Let's do something fun. I was envisioning for this guy kind of a circle like this. Maybe like a lighter gray. This is what I was envisioning. Then another circle. Oops. Another circle in here. Is that perfectly in the middle? Kind of looks like it. It'd be blurping if I had any blurps. True. You should have blurps. I don't know why. I don't know what I was thinking. Why is there no blurps? We're not ready for that yet. Oops. I think I actually want to make... Let's make the circle a little bigger. Is that center? Is that center? Kind of looks like it. And out here we want like this. I think I made it too big. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I was thinking something like this. Okay. So then we select it all. Shift O. Oh, we'll add some. Okay. What's up, MS? How you doing, man? Oh, my girl was impressed by your elephant. Oh, hey, tell her thanks. I appreciate that. There we go. So I want to. No. I want to alt edit. We'll do first range. We'll do this like this. Like alt new. Hi, ACD's mom. How are you? I'm good. How are you? I am good. Well, actually, I think we'll erase this. I want it to look like this idle. Do like this, and then we're gonna go to this. It's gonna like be like this.
Hello there.
Hello. Do boop 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 boop. We enjoy watching you. Well, I appreciate you guys watching. I'm glad you enjoy it. I really do. All the support is appreciated for sure. Keep going. Do. Then we'll do bip 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 bip. Just simple stuff. Bip 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 bip. I love that noise, by the way. And we'll just. Well, actually, Alt New, Control C, Control V. Control C, Control V. Control C, Control V. Delete this last one. Okay, so now it should kind of zoop, 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 zoop. Let's actually make these a different color. Maybe like red.
Look at all those chickens.
Look at all those chickens. I love that fucking meme. So funny. Nice. So we got having it open. This is this animation to opening it. We actually want it to stay open, so I'm actually going to delete these. We actually want it to stay open at the end. So we want it to stay open, and this is my attack phase. Right? My son just said he has 60 hours watching you. That's nuts. Yeah, that's a long, long time. That's a crazy long time, actually. I can't believe it. Go back to this layer. This color, like this. Layer 2. We'll remake our circle in the middle. Kind of looks like a magnemite. You know what I'm saying? Ugh. That's center, is it not? Yeah, it looks center enough. Looks center enough. You have 53 on this one? Oh, dang. And that you haven't even been full time over on this side either. Okay. Why did it do that? This is kind of stupid. I have to do it this way, but that's fine. Bip, 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 bip. Bip, 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 bip. See how that looks. Pew, 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 pew. So I think I'll leave it like that, but I'll also make an idle. So this is, how can I do this? So we'll save this as missile detecting. This is when we detect it, and I want it to go boop, and I want it to stop here, and then I want it to fly at them. So I need 2 more. I need 2 more. Oh, ACD. I want to say thank you for always providing good quality content and taking time to stream. Well, thanks, man. I appreciate the member join. That really does mean a lot. Dang, that's super awesome. Thank you so much, dude. You didn't have to do that. Didn't have to do that at all. Bruh. Excited. Execute order 66 is 500 bits? Damn. Why is it so much?
Hey there, big boy.
Yom Derpa gifted 1 subscriptions to
My
the community.
headphones die again? They did. I'm missing those noises. Derp just gifted a sub to Number Boy. Dang, thanks for the gift of sub, Derp. Appreciate that, man. I just do it this way. Yay. We'll actually leave this white to start. This is alert. Alert. But whoa, let's turn this down a little bit. Probably because we're doing 100 milliseconds or 4. So this is only 2, so I should only do 50 milliseconds. This one should now blip faster. Maybe it needs to be 200 seconds. Maybe I'm thinking about it wrong. This 200 milliseconds. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, that one's better. Gonna need a seizure warning? Yeah, I know. I'm not liking that, actually. I think I'll slow it down in the game. This is good enough for now. We'll control save. This will be missile attacking. And then we'll do another. We'll take this one and we'll just leave it like this. Actually, I can just leave it like this. So this will just be our idle. Maybe 150 just 200? Maybe. Let me try something quick. First. Let's make a new scene. New sprite. 32 by 32. I don't know why I changed that. That was weird. Bam. Bam. Exit. Select you again. There's probably a better way to do that. I don't know it. What we can do is we can just add empty frames here. We can just go if new, oops. Alt new. And then here we'll change it. Here we'll change it. We want this to be slower. So boop, boop, boop. And then we need to actually boop, 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 boop. Boop. Boop, boop, boop. I actually want it to be even slower. I think we just need more white in the middle. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. I actually want a 4 count of this. Then we want this. And then a 1, 2, 3, 4 count. White. And then 4 count of white, 2 count of red, another 4 count of white. Which I guess after this one I could just, these aren't necessary. So a 4 count of white. And I can make this slower too in the game. Okay. I think I got it. Now we'll also escape, file, export, sprite sheet, by rows, open sprite sheet, where and I'll do the same here. Oops, file, export as sprite sheet, we'll print, oops, file export as PNG. Where's this going? Okay, cool. And then we will do same thing here. As sprite sheet, file, export as PNG. Now, this up here. Look at this. Isn't this fun? How are we feeling about this, chat? I know there's not a lot of you here. But for those here, is this something we're interested in? Are we enjoying this? I think I'm having fun. Yeah. Make sure this is looping. Play it at start. I think our big circle here is just add. No, our big circle, I think, is a tad too big. We want to go a little smaller. We don't want to blow up too many things. But I think our missile is looking good. Just beeping. My animate sprite. We'll add a new animation for attack. Yeah, that looks good. This one will autoplay. Autoplay. Oh, okay. So this one will be the one that autoplays. This one will play when we get there. Then it'll explode, which I should probably, maybe I'll just do the same explosions that I've been doing. Maybe a bigger one. And then one more animation here. for detecting. Detecting will be this guy. I want this to be kind of fast. And I don't want it to loop. I want it to go bing and then transition right there. You know the countdown when nukes are about to launch? Brr, brr. Yeah. I know which one you're talking about. Should be similar to that. Oh, you think for this one? Like the noises it makes? I think I need to. Actually, what I need to do is we'll make this animated sprite as a unique name. Set animated sprite dot play. This will be its title. So this one here, this if then statement is this if then statement is basically saying like if we don't see anything, we're just gonna do nothing, basically. This one will make it so it is play detecting. Hopefully, I wonder how fast this will be. I wonder if it'll give it its time to actually do it. We will see. Let's test it. So it's just beeping. Doop. Honestly, did that not look kind of clean? First off, the missile is huge. We do not need it that big. We will actually go back to scale 1 and try that again. That seems better. Boosh. Maybe like 2. I don't want to get... It's way too big. It needs to be 1. Oh, this is the camera. The missile definitely needs to be 1. Scale 1. We'll save that. Because we want it to be fairly small. We want the hit component. I actually kind of want the hit component to be a little larger. I want it to explode before it gets there.
That's what she said.
Ah, that's what she said. Ah, you got me. It's unfortunate that it's small like this. You can't see what it's doing, and it's sad. I do like 2. Can I get away with just doing 2? I want to see it. Oops. I want to see it do its thing. Whoosh. That was very fast. So hitbox shape can just real smaller. We don't want to kill everything. I think that's perfect. That's what I want. Boop, 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 beep. And that's perfect because we just saw the importance of what this will be good for. So this missile will be great for big grouped enemies. Like, okay, I have a bunch of enemies right here. I can go take them all at once. But these fast guys can dodge out of the radius of this. You still have to kind of take care of those. Have a happy Thanksgiving, ACD. You and your mom have a happy Thanksgiving. Hope your whole family does too. Obviously. But what's up, CJ? Got you remember? Bro, how could you forget? What? That was actually times perfect. What? Want it to get larger and explode before it gets there? That could also be. Yeah, do you mean like the spikes? You want the spikes to be larger before they get there? Or you want the whole thing to get larger? If I wanted to, I should probably make the spikes more prominent. I make them go out farther so you can really see them. But for now, I think it's fine. What's up, Rune? How you doing, man? So I want to just change up this script a little bit. We're going to change this to shoot bullet. And then, yeah. And now we're going to add a new input. Let's make a new setting in my input map. This will be activate or deploy. We'll say deploy missile. And this will be, we'll just make this E. Make it E for now. I can always change that. So now we'll make a new if input dot is action just pressed deploy missile. And that is true. And we'll have to make a new variable called missile ready. Var missile ready is going to be equal to, will equal to false initially. I think that's what I want to do. And this is missile ready is true. Then we are going to call a new function. We'll just pass for now. So I can organize my code a little bit. No, I mean that's what she said bit after you said that. No, I mean that's what she said bit after you said that. Oh, okay. I got you. I'm chilling, having a few drinks after work. Nice, man. Nice. Good, dude. That sounds fun. Was it here for a while? How do you check your hours? You do exclamation top hours. So we actually need to add a few things. I'm gonna make a new point. What is this called? It's called a, I forget what it's called. It's called a mark. New marker. We'll call this missile point. Make this a unique name. We'll move it just to the butt, basically. Because I'm going to change this design up. For now, it'll just be the butt. Save. And I want to Back to the script. I want the missile dot global position to equal the missile point dot global position. And I also want the missile dot rotation, global rotation, to equal missile point global rotation plus 180. So I'm going to do it plus 180 because I want it to go the opposite way. Because I think if you have a shooting a point like this, right? This is a point. If I'm facing this direction, I think it will actually deploy the missile right on top of me, which will look stupid. So I think if I do plus 180, it'll actually deploy it back here where it would make it look like it's dumping out. Get into game design? Yeah, I am. I am. So, oh look, it doesn't work because I didn't actually set it up. That's funny. So let's test this. Do shoot missile. I actually already have to put the stupid. I have to put the timer in. I didn't want to do that right away. Call this a timer. This is my missile. Missile cooldown. We'll give this 1 second auto start because I want it to start immediately because I want it to send a signal that missile ready is true. So I don't want you to be able to use missiles immediately in the game. So this is going to be false to start. And then I'm going to have the cooldown timer start immediately. And then hopefully we'll do game missile cooldown. Call it, we'll make it start. And we'll set shoot or missile ready to false. Beauty. This should work. Eli Golfs, what's up, man? How you doing? The fish chicken leg ship looks like water is trying to come out the back, but doesn't have enough to drip. Yeah, I know. I'm not in love with this design. I'm not gonna lie. Ooh. Operate vector 2 and enter and prop. Okay, so I need to change this to rotation degrees. Will that do it? What if I just did negative this? Did that work? No. Oh, wait a minute. Let's try it one more time. So I messed up. It was rotation. Let's just do it. I think this needs to be true to start. There's nothing setting this to true. I don't think the timer's doing what I want it to do. Not working. What's Asa? I missed something. Oh, duh. I'm stupid. I actually never told it to come in to the world. Alright, let's do it. Dojo, what's up, man? Nice. It looks kind of junky. Boosh. So it's like it's kind of gonna be like a landmine. It's not gonna be like a true missile because it's never. Eventually, okay. So I know what I can do to fix that. Let me try this one time. One time, let me try this. It just spawns right on top of me. Maybe I need to. Okay, I think I need to know. I know what I need to do. I think I need to just take this point, and I just need to put it back. Nice. So the rotation is wrong, technically. It is. It's still facing me. I want it to go the other way. Maybe maybe I had it right the first time. Maybe this doesn't need to be this way. Oh, it's all going to the right. That's weird. Interesting. That's kind of silly. That's silly how it's doing that. So I guess all the missile is floating this way when it gets on screen. Maybe if I made it so it's floating when it's down, it's floating to the right. So maybe if I had it rotate left, it'll rotate to the down. Yes! Yeah, that's what I wanted. Yeah. Added a new weapon. Look at that. Did you forget the parameter for the bomb thing? Yes, I did. And will this be a browser-based game? No. If anything, this will be. Since this is such a small training project, I will put this on itch.io when it's done for free, so just people can stick around with it and stuff. Feels weird to try to. I don't know. This will never get to the point where it'll be a paid thing or whatever. But holy shit, we got it to work. I'm so happy. That's so cool. That literally took me, Asa, about 1 hour and 15 minutes just to get it to like actually blow everything up. Yeah, I remember your exam on Sunday. How'd it go? So one thing I want to do to the missile, I think I want to change the shape up. I'm not happy with the circle. You passed? Good for you, dude. Good for you. This looks stupid. Hey, yeah, no problem, dude. Okay, this is what I want. Like a. Try that. Oh, interesting. So I gotta be careful. Gotta be careful about that. What does it look like? Yo, Dilly Pickle, what's up, man? I don't like that. It'll be a circle. I think it'll just be a circle. Be a big circle. I didn't know for the best. What type of game you making? I'm just making like a little. I guess they're gonna be like mines, like last second thing. Oh, but I need to remind myself. So this is what I'm gonna do actually. So I'm making a it's like a space shooter, but this is just like a training project. Nothing too crazy. I'd like to say just a little training project to kind of get my feet wet with this whole thing. Now this will make more sense. Now I can come out here. Bam. Cover ground over there, so I don't have to worry about. Yes, that is it. That's the stuff right there. Yeah, it's just gonna be a little simple, fun little project. This game's really coming along. What's next? Oh, that's a great question. That is a great question. What is next? I've already thought like a million things. I'm so happy the missile's working. The missile is a huge thing for me. I think it's probably going to start making character designs for the fast enemy specifically, something different. And then I'm going to make a new enemy that's like a big cargo ship, essentially. So the cargo ship will come down and it'll be very slow. It'll be like a tanky slow thing. But it's gonna have a ton of health. You're gonna have to put a ton of damage onto it. And when you destroy it, that's how you're going to get your upgrades, right? They'll break apart and you'll get you can grab upgrades and then you'll get either extra bullet damage, you'll get access to like a shorter cooldown for missiles and things like that. Because right now the missile cooldown is actually going to be, I'm going to implement it where the cooldown is pretty long, like maybe 10 seconds before you reload your missiles. And I'm only going to let you shoot one or two before the cooldown starts. Something like that. So that's the idea with missiles. Are going to have asteroids to dodge and they move left and right and such? Actually, yeah, that is something I wanted to do. I wanted to actually add it so asteroids move back and forth, and then you have to do a bunch of things at once, right? You have to do crowd control of all the aliens coming in. You have to dodge asteroids. And you have to like prioritize enemies over each other, right? So you're gonna have a ton of those slow guys coming down, which are gonna be easy to kill, right? You can kind of take them out kind of quickly. I'll make them stronger as we go along, especially as you get more damage multipliers. And then you have the cargo ones, which you'll have to like put a lot of fire on, maybe add a few mines on top of it to destroy it. And then you have to focus on the tanks. And then there'll be fast ones that move zigzaggy like that, which are going to be harder to hit. So you need to, boom, 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 attacking the big one. Oh, crap, there's a little guy. We gotta make sure we kill him before he gets down and game over, right? So I think, now the question is, do I want these mines? I think that I want them to go on forever, the mines. And maybe if they hit the outer edges, they'll queue free. I think that's what we'll do. So if they go off screen, I'll have like another area out here that they can just collide with. Maybe I can make it the same as no, that'd probably be hard. I think that will be That'll be cool though. I'll have like some areas out here that'll stop the mines if they were to wander off screen. Is it a thing where you're flying through, or is it there a base at the bottom they damage? It's like the Earth, right? I'm gonna eventually make like maybe there could be like a glowing FX down here, and it's like, oh, protect the Earth or protect whatever. It's gonna be a base or Earth or something like that. What about baby black holes that slow down your movement if you decide to go through them, make it harder to dodge stuff? That would be cool, especially for later rounds. You could have like a gravity effect where the black holes are slowly pulling you in, so that way you can't be idle ever. That'd be interesting. I don't know how I'd implement that. That'd be another huge project, but that'd be cool. That would be cool. But I want to get the basics down for this project. Some of the big things I've been trying to do are components, which are like this hitbox component, attack components, basically like automate some of this. Like, oh, this thing can attack, this thing has health, this thing has a hitbox, stuff like that. So that's been a lot of fun. Working on fast enemies has been fun. I need to change the sprite design. So I think the big things are going to be tanky enemy, so like a cargo ship will be the next thing I make. Make sprites and stuff for both of them. Kind of set what I want for those. And then it's going to be building out level design. So I don't know if it's going to be... I think this game is better off as a wave-based game. So I need to write a code that will increment waves. And as the waves increment, parameters change. That'll make them harder and harder and harder. So hopefully I can automate it in a way where I'll just keep ticking, and it'll make things harder, spawn different enemies, and stuff like that. Put caps on how many enemies of each class or kind can be spawned per wave and things like that. So, rock on, man. Rock on with this then, man. Better designer than me right now. I appreciate it, dude. Have you been designing your own game as well? I think that'll be a cool start. Then, let's do one more thing. Quick. Let us actually take this guy. I want to, but whenever I start learning, I get tired and go to bed. Oh, I got you, bro. That's funny. Yeah, rip. Actually looks better for the enemy. I could do this shit all night, by the way, guys. Like, it's so fun. Did I spell it wrong? Explosion. Oh, oops. Add child. Explosion. How'd I do it for the end? I said. Yes. Gotta do a few things. Explosion dot global position is equal to let's do self dot global position, and then explosion dot emitting equal to true. Okay, this should work. Oof, not. No, it did not. Because I queue free. Yep. Aha! Boosh! That's a little big. A little big. But that's pretty fun. Okay. I can make it smaller. Maybe. Okay, I really should go to bed here soon, shouldn't I? A little big. I feel like I need to change the color of it too, so it's not the same. Meh. That's okay. I don't know, chat. I think it's coming along. Something else I want to do. I want to make the guns shoot individually. Still just a little big, right? That's more reasonable. I feel like I want to make it a different color. I'm not gonna lie. Maybe like maybe let's do later. But yeah, I want to make the guns shoot independently of each other. Eventually, I'll add UIs. So this all looks nicely. Looks nice. Anyhow, it's way late. I need to stop doing this and go to bed. Thanks guys for just hanging out with me. I was not planning on streaming tonight, so it was kind of fun just to hang out, chill, bounce some ideas off everybody, and I don't know, just work, do some cool stuff. Hopefully you all enjoyed it. You know, I know I did. I had a lot of fun. Yeah. Besides that, no, we're gonna head off. Thank you guys all so much for watching. We'll catch you next time. And yeah, bye.